How to remove credit or debit card from TikTok account. So here is a full updated guide on how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then once inside TikTok app, make sure that you are on a TikTok profile, or you can simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and navigate to the profile. Then tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the balance option available here. Now inside balance, this is where all your transaction from TikTok happens. So if you have added, then you can see all your credit and debit card available here. As you can see, I do not have any payment method option available, but if you do, then you will get to see your credit or debit card available in this small square box named as manage your payment method. You can simply tap on the three dot icon available at the top and simply tap on the delete or remove option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.